Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, braking assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.